Hi there, it's Dr. G here at the G Spa in San Francisco. I wanted to let you know today about why I love the Emsculpt Neo machine. It's a great machine for muscle tightening and toning as well as fat loss and skin tightening. 30 minutes on this machine once a week for 4 weeks will get you 25% muscle increase and 30% fat reduction. But on top of that, it will also tighten the skin. So maybe it's around the belly or underneath the arms or, on the back butt area. That skin will also get tightened up while you lose fat and tone up the muscles. These applicators are nice and simple. They just contact with the skin. This large paddle will go for the stomach, the quads, the thighs in the back, and the buttocks. So the small applicators are great for bicep, tricep, calf, and inner thigh. It's a great machine. You get 3 treatments in 1 session, 4 sessions, and you'll see a big result. More wonderful things about this machine is that pretty much anybody can use this machine. As long as you don't have metal in the treatment area, you should be fine. The other great thing about this is there's no downtime. You come in on your lunch break, 30 minutes later, you're back to work. You're not gonna feel any burning or downtime where you have to go home afterwards. You're gonna feel like you had a great workout, but you're able to go back to work.
Fantastic. So Emsculpt Neo is pretty much for everyone then?
Yes, it's great for any body type and for most areas that you want to treat.
So Dr. G, why do you love this device?
Well, I love the Emsella because it works. I mean, you can actually feel the difference in 1 session. It's 12,000 contractions of the perineum, which is 12,000 kegels in 30 minutes. And when you get off the machine, you will feel a difference in the way that you stand, in the way that your posture is, because you will feel tighter and taller, but you will also realize that sometimes even in 1 to 2 treatments, you can feel the difference in your incontinence. We do recommend 6 treatments for the full treatment, but you'll feel a difference in 2. And I've seen that myself because I use this on a regular basis.
Wonderful. I hear it helps with blood flow as well.
It does. So when you're contracting those muscles down there and you're increasing your blood flow, you're making your muscles stronger in your perineum. Not only are you able to stop your incontinence, but it also helps with sexual function, because then what happens is you get more blood flow, you get more fluids. For men, it helps you hold your erection longer, which is always a little nicer. You have a little more control over your erections. But really, this machine is great for anyone, and it's not, even if you don't have incontinence or you're totally performing well in bed, what's great about this machine is that if you've been sitting at your job for a long period of time or working from home and not thinking about getting up, all of us are weak in our hips, and this tightens up the hips, and it helps with your back pain, and it helps with so many other things, that it's just a great machine.
Amazing. So it's really for everyone.
It really is for everyone, and I love it because you don't have to have had children. I was on an airplane a couple weeks ago, and sitting there for a long period of time, my hips and my back hurt. Massage didn't do it. What I needed was to sit on this machine and tighten up everything again because it got loose.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's a great machine.
So
really
not just for women who've had children, it's really for everyone.
Mm-hmm.
And just 6 treatments twice a week, right?
Yes.
For 3 weeks?
Correct. So it's a nice short cycle as well. You're not in, all the time. You're in 2 times a week, 3 weeks. Makes a world of difference. It's great for any, upcoming events that you might want to feel better for, and no one will know that you've done anything except you.
Wonderful. And how long is the treatment?
It's 30 minutes. We sit you here, we position you appropriately. You center yourself, you sit up, lean forward a little bit. Clothes stay on, which is super important, because then you don't have to feel that there's anything embarrassing going on. Nobody sees anything. Here we have drapery to also enclose you into your area, so you can just kind of zen out and just relax. I'll sit here and do some work sometimes on my computer. We have a little tray table to keep you away from anything that's happening down there. It works out great. So the other great things about this place, not only is it safe and inclusive, we're We're in the heart of San Francisco's Union Square. We get a visit from the Parrots every afternoon, the Parrots of San Francisco, and it's just a wonderful space. So come down and visit us.